everyone, hi, I'm Prapti, a first year physiotherapy student, and I hope you all are doing fine. And welcome back to a new video. So, in this video, I'll be basically sharing with you all everything I do the entire week and show you all around my college life. I am shooting a vlog after such a very long time. I used to do so much of such type of videos in the beginning. By the way, it's a Monday today and I did not have any morning lectures because the other half has gone for their clinical postings. So I decided ki let's come to library and start studying biochemistry because biochem exam is coming up super soon. Why I'm wearing a top and not a kurti? Because in the second half I have my practicals in which you're supposed to wear a top and come. And yeah, that's it. I'm vlogging this week, so I'll have us to shut.
But this is not Darka.
This is
Chole kulcha.
Fole Kulcha and this is Pia. Hi guys, I've come to the washroom because Pia people have to change. I've already changed. I come. They had their postings, so say hi.
Hello.
Very once in a while you get to see us like this because we're always in a formal attire. Tisha, यहाँ पर चिपक्स है. I hope it doesn't fall. Do you think it will fall? No. So if it falls, are you responsible?
नहीं क्योंकि अब क्या पता है ना ही फोन को पढ़ी है ना इसको पढ़ी है तो फर्क नहीं पड़ता. So this vlog starts with me coming to college
and only not getting ready for the practice.
Yeah, first time we had to wear no.
Second, third time
No.
supposed to wear.
The day we have to wear this, I don't wear normal clothes and come. And the day we don't have to wear normal clothes, I wear normal clothes and come.
Nothing.
I'll just say that last week this girl told us that she'll come every day, but she didn't come every day. And why is this? She told us that she'll come every day because now her attendance is very bad. But then she didn't come on Friday because
She told us that she'll be giving us the yeah. When give us the date also right now.
we told her we don't want cake factory ka treat, we want a movie treat.
We'll go for movie at Seawood.
Oh,
I am not very aware, guys.
okay guys, bye bye.
Hi guys, college is done. Now I'm on scooty with Vaishvi and we are going to Starbucks. Why? Because we went for a movie a few days ago and उधर से हमें कूपन कोड मिला था जिसमें we had to claim either Starbucks or Taco Bell. So we decided to go to Starbucks. We have this one free coffee that we will get. तो हम फ्री का माल लेने जा रहे हैं. Hi guys, college is done. It is around 6:40 and right now I'm going घर पे and I have to study a little biochemistry anyhow today. Either I sleep very early and wake up. So I was saying either I sleep very early and wake up early so that I can study it tomorrow morning properly, and if I don't feel sleepy I can study it today night. I've reached down my building waiting for lift to come. Tomorrow is a Tuesday. Today was a Monday. And tomorrow you will see me in kurti. By the way, you know what happened in train? My this bottle started leaking. So मेरी पूरी नीचे का bag became गीला and half of my books have become wet. And I removed my apron जिसमें मैंने एक प्लास्टिक की थैली में apron रखती हूँ. Apron बाहर निकाला, kept all my books in the train and all of that happened. So my bag is kind of गीला. By the way, from tomorrow, most probably tomorrow, you will see me carrying a new bag because this bag ka chains and everything is now gone. So I'll be having new bag. Okay, now lift is coming. So we'll go home and get back to you all. Hi guys, good morning. This is the kurti I'm wearing today. And now the first thing what we are supposed to do is pack my bag. But the thing is, this was my old bag Now this is my new bag. So my old bag, the chain and everything is gone. Niche side has become very dirty, so we are changing my bag. So for that we are changing my bag. So we need to change our bags, and we're getting late today because I woke up also late. So firstly, let's quickly get started by swapping things from bag to bag, and then we'll leave for college. And today we have a farewell of one of our professors who is leaving the college. All of that work has to be done as well. So then let's get started. I'll sit down and do the work. We have anatomy and the professor who is leaving उनका भी practical revision lecture है आज because of course then he is never coming to college. My bags look so small in this bag. Then I have my pouch which I want to get changed पर ये अभी थोड़ा बहुत dirty हो गया है पर चलेगा. उसके बाद भी Okay, let's pack our tiffin. But for this is my fruits ka dabba. Then we have my roti shaak ka dabba, and this is my dry fruits ka dabba. This is my limbu pani or varyali pani or mix anything, some flavored water in short. Then we have my normal water. This I'll put in the middle chain. I doubt ये सब कमाना आएगा. Let's see. I needed a new bag so because not one but two chains were broken. And when we went to repair, उन्होंने बोला कि it will take around 300. मेरी मम्मी ने बोला 300 रुपए कौन देगा? We'll get a new bag. Everything else that I have to add ये वाली bag से. We have our chhatri. Shit, look at the halat of my. I have some cotton and some ID card. कुछ नहीं है. मंदिर से my home keys. I have my library card. I have a pad. That's it. Where is my lip balm? Keep it. This ID card I like to put side वाली chain में. My secret chain. No, that is not. This छोटी chain में. And we have this chain which has sections. Okay, nice. There's a chain inside, so वो chain में I'll be keeping and umbrella I'll keep in the last chain, side वाले section में. I have to go have थोड़ा breakfast also before leaving and we are actually very late. So I went to out this weekend, so मेरा बहुत सामान इसमें भी है. A napkin, my lip balm is here. Do we have anything in this chain? Let me check. That's it. And this is my diary which I like to carry all the time. So if my bag is not heavy, then I carry this. It's fine. Napkin I put ये वाली side because I don't like to put my bottle and everything there. We can put our lip balms here. I feel this bag has a lot of space to put more सामान. पर अभी के लिए इतना ही है. तो मेरी डायरी भी इसमें रख देती हूँ. Today we have a practical. So for practicals we have to carry bonio and everything. To be बोले क्या? We have to take these two things. Sunscreen. Without any further ado, let's go to college. I'm so excited for my new bag. It looks good. Guys, I am going on scooty with Vaishvi. I'm on scooty again. You don't see that. I see something. And हम जा रहे हैं तिलक नगर से आज भी. But this is very one time when I choose to drive with Vaishvi. Shut up. I'll show you all Vaishvi's driving skills, but you don't get conscious, Vaishvi. अभी Vaishvi टर्न लेगी तो अभी उसका आप टर्न भी देख लेना. Why are we going ऐसे? Look at how studious we are. I'm writing my journal and she's studying. We look nice.
Yeah, we actually.
My phone camera. And like हम लिख रहे हैं क्योंकि हमारी हम लिख रहे हैं क्योंकि एक टीचर of ours is
अभी रिकॉर्ड अभी नहीं पड़ेगी, जब मैम देखती है तब बात छोड़ो ताकि मैम ने लागे.
For me in my journal approval also, and my hip mobility, in my hip mobility also she is there. So she तो really smiles at me and she knows me. So yeah, but her nature is nice. Survi's phone is lost.
Please say, what are you doing?
I'm writing my journal.
How many pages are done?
51, मतलब कि 51 and a half, 25. I'm on my 26th page or 25th page.
अन्य पूछो क्या है.
They are fighting, guys. Like a huge fight is happening between 31 and 32
Yeah, like so she's cried like an anime today.
because they made me cry.
Yes, because we enjoyed watching all the
Yes. Fuck.
This is our classroom and this is her
Shut up.
wall.
Mom teaches very good. You go to your class.
This is
मुझसे तुम मेरी यादों में रहना कभी अलविदा.
Guys, we just had Manoj sir's farewell. I feel we can be loud because all the professors have gone. तो मनोज सर का फेयरवेल हुआ अभी. Pira, all three of us were waiting. It was very emotional and very nice. Disha was so same. I don't know. Leaving for college. First half I don't have lectures, so I'll be sitting in the library and studying. तो अभी पहले कॉलेज जाता है. मैं almost on. I'm around 5 minutes late. It is around 8:15 right now. I usually leave at 8, तो 15 minutes late. And I have to take a train, change trains and reach college. In the train, if I get a good place to sit, I'll start writing my journal also because I can't waste any time. फर्स्ट पर्सन टू रीच द क्लास बिकॉज आधे लोग की आज पोस्टिंग है, आधे लोग आर एट होम, दे वुड बी कमिंग. आई एम अर्ली, सो आई हैव डिसाइडेड आई विल हैव माई लंच अभी क्विकली एंड देन आई विल सिट टू फिनिश माई जर्नल. I studied biochem. We actually have a biochem exam internals, right? So we have a biochem exam on 11th of August. So for that we need to study very properly, जो क्योंकि हमने पूरा साल biochem नहीं किया. So I'm currently focusing on that. Now we'll have our lunch and then sit to write journal because journal submission is on Monday and today is a Wednesday. So yeah. Okay, so both of us have shifted to second class. Both of us are having our khana.
Very healthy khana. Today was a very happening day. Lots of fun happened.
But I actually enjoyed the lectures today. Very nice, and I liked how
And
she
I
taught.
enjoyed the drama.
Yeah, because she is a subject CR.
You want to be the subjects here next year?
Hi guys. Leaving for college. I have thepla. Today, I'll tell you all something. I'll tell you all exactly what happened. So Tisha and I catch the same train, okay? Like she tells me to catch that train. And I also try to catch that train. And I can't catch that train. So in short, most of the days I'm very late. and she is very early. So today I have to prove my existence. ये देखो the amount of गर्दी only to get down. Do you like how our college looks? Genuinely.
I'm waiting for the tour.
Oh.
The Rose Cricket.
But I don't think so they'll allow us so much. Guess who is always coming late?
I am always coming
So
late.
today, who came early today? Pia, who came?
Once in a
No,
blue
1
moon.
second. But today, we're talking about today. Who came early today?
Sometimes I come earlier than Pia also. I am so
Yeah,
early.
so
every
I am
day.
early.
One
And
day
I
because I
was
begged her that एक दिन तो मुझे छुट्टी दे.
And I was the one who came early and kept such a nice place. This bench is so nice. And I kept a very good place. And Tisha was very late. And Tisha ने मेरे साथ bet लगाई. And then when I messaged her to tell her that I'll try to come, then she told me, I knew you would say that you will not follow what the instructions I have given. But then I proved myself by taking Belapur. And now I came very early in a very early train and I kept the seat and I was the second person to enter the class. Okay, so Tisha has lost it. Hi guys, what's up? I came back home around 6 o'clock and right now I'm just writing my journal. That's it. मैंने आके खाना वाना खाया and I'm just finishing the amount of pages that I have written. I'm right now on 140th page of my journal and journal only gives you 5 or 10 marks पर कितनी सारी मेहनत करनी पड़ रही है. My biochem exam on 11th. I'm so fed up because in college also I tried to finish my journal but वो ख़त्म ही नहीं हो रही है. So I'm not liking this phase. And we have our journal submission on Monday. Still, you know, I have to make diagrams. I have to do so much work in this journal. I have kinesiotherapy and electrotherapy ka journal submission on Monday. That's it. I'm just getting back to journal writing. This is actually a very tedious task to finish all the work. Then tomorrow I have to go to college also. It is already 10 o'clock. I'll write my journal for like half an hour or something. Try to finish one topic. मैं अभी चालू करूँगी नया वाला. Then we'll go to sleep because you know since the past 2 weeks almost I have been every day sleeping at 12 o'clock and waking up around 12:30. I sleep 12:30 and I wake up around 6:30. But from now, you know, we need to change a few things. I want thoda more sleep. So I'll be trying to sleep. I'll try to sleep by 11 o'clock or something and wake up by 6:30. So I get like good 7 hours of sleep, I guess. I'll just sleep a little more because I feel my brain has stopped functioning these days. My active listening ka power has gone. So we'll get back to writing. And my electrodes, I can't find them. I don't know what to do about it. I feel I've applied too much of lip balm and everything, but it will fade away in some time. But I'm very upset. The last time I used it was during my electrotherapy exams only. And now I can't find it. These are our journals, okay? So I'm on page 159. हाँ तेरा 159 से आगा चला गया. She is on 161. Tisha. Vaishvi is on 115. And Pia, what page number? Pia is on 143. Pia, it was stress केम लागे छे. My phone. And you know those colleges and everything also have this background where the people make read and everything. So I like it better. Yeah, I like it. We are in auto and we are going to station actually. This Vaishvi is very disturbing.
Oh my god,
इतना
I hate this girl so much. Now I'll tell what is
Trisha made
happening.
this. इतना ज़्यादा she's irritating me all the time. And she has to go to library, she has to go to fill water, she has to hold no, go to washroom.
This girl. Guys, ये साफ मेरे साथ हो रहा है. This is not fair, okay? Not at all. She told me to go to
Why
the
is
library.
it not
उससे
fair?
काम था, पर बुक उसको लेनी थी, पर
Guys, I am back from college and this is how I look. I need hair wash. I know my hairs have become very chibu, but I'll do that today. And I feel about the tester. So what happened? I'll tell you all what happened. So in the morning I was literally finding my tester everywhere. Ki kidhar gaya? I couldn't find it anywhere. And I was just feeling, where did I keep them? Because I used them last a month ago जहाँ भी we had our electrotherapy के practicals. उसके बाद I had not used them. Okay. After that today I asked one of my friends कि तेरे पास है क्या गलती से, and she said no. Then I asked one more friend and she also said no. After that, after reaching the class and everything, I asked my auntie and everyone who takes care of the labs and everything कि आपके पास था क्या? No, I was like, they said no, we don't have it. And I was like, okay fine. After that थोड़ी देर बाद कुछ तो हुआ एंड उसके बाद आई चेकड माई बैग. आई वॉज ट्राइंग टू रिमूव अ नोटबुक और समथिंग एंड आई सॉ अ थैली जिसमें मैंने रखा था मेरा टेस्टर एंड मेरा इलेक्ट्रोड्स वेरी प्रॉपरली. एंड आई वाज लाइक हाउ डिड दिस कम? एंड देन इट हैड अ नोट विच सेड कि take care of your belongings and every time I won't be there for you. And tester was with Vaishvi and she kept it for like a month. And how careless of me to not realize since a month that everything मेरा ये सामान गुम गया है. And today when we needed it for electrotherapy practicals and all of this happened. And I feel that's it for this video because I have been recording properly since like almost 6 days now. And yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. See you all in my next video. Bye.